Yo, what is up? Congratulations, you funnel hacker, and welcome to the team. You made excellent decision. Really quick, I just want to welcome to you here and just kind of help you, guide you on what you should check out first. So first, for example, on the left-hand side, you're going to see in the very top is a section that's going to have a little bit of introduction. It's going to show you how to download the Chrome extension if you haven't done so already. It's going to give you a brief overview on what's included on all these segments that we have, and it's also going to show you exactly how to find a couple of ClickFunnels templates and a couple of Go High Level templates so that you can clone them really easy. And I also have a couple of courses, like a Facebook course and a YouTube course, I just threw in there just for funsies, just to help you guys out. In addition to that, you can see on the left-hand side, you also see your funnel cloning history. So whenever you clone a ClickFunnels template, paste into your editor, you're also going to be able to see the actual history of what you cloned in the past, just so you can keep yourself organized. And just in case maybe you forgot about one, you need to go back to it, you can find it right there. In addition to that, what you probably came here for is our legendary funnel templates. So guys, if you're interested in that, you should look on the left-hand side. Go right there, guys. We have the funnel templates on the left-hand side. Click on those, and they're super easy to use. If you have ClickFunnels, you click on the little ClickFunnel. Well, actually, first, click on the image so you can pops up, blows it up, so you can see it a little bit bigger. On the top of that, we have categories, so you can click on your category that you want. Maybe you're in a specific niche, maybe you're a contractor, maybe you're a credit repair, maybe you're a dentist, whatever niche you need. Click on those niches right there, and you just narrow it down because there are a lot of templates on there. Once you got there, you click on the pictures to preview the funnel templates. After that, let's say you're using ClickFunnels. Click on that little ClickFunnels button, and it'll take you right there to duplicate that page into your ClickFunnels editor. Or let's say you go high level. Super simple. You click on that blue Go High Level button. Right from there, it's going to copy that URL. Go to Go High Level, press Add a Page, and then paste that URL right where it says paste ClickFunnels URL or paste URL right there. And instantly you check off that little check mark, say I have permission from me, your boy Blade, and then you're good. So import it right into there. It might take a minute or two to import it, but it'll import right away. So guys, I also want to point out a couple more things. If you have any questions, you need help, and you schedule a strategy session, just click on the home page. We have a button at the very top on the first segment, probably right under this video, honestly, saying schedule a strategy session. Or if you have some general questions, click on the Funnel Hacker group, because we're always active on that, and so is everybody else. So click on the Funnel Hacker group and ask your question away. We always have tons of value in there, and we're all willing to help you guys out, all right? Last thing, guys, is that yeah, you have all these funnel templates. If you need a custom CRM built out, or if you need help with your ads, or if you need help with organic marketing, or if you just need someone to be one step ahead of you to teach you exactly what you need to do next in order to scale your business, get to the point where you want to be, click on that schedule a strategy session, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this. Thank you for joining Funnel Hacker Lab, and I'm super excited for you. And guys, once again, we want to help you as much as you can because you want to get the best testimonial from you as possible. Click on the link down below if you need help. And what I'm also doing pretty soon, we're going to be implementing pretty soon, is actually if you give us a video testimonial, kind of something like this, or maybe vertical, whatever you want to do, if you give us a video testimonial about our software, what we're going to do is we're going to give you 2 months for free. All right, we're going to give you 2 months for free in exchange for a video testimonial. All right, thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Enjoy.